Hey everyone, check out the DREAVIO Diatomite stone bath mat made from natural diatomaceous earth for fast water absorption and quick drying. This mat keeps your bathroom floor dry and your feet comfortable by evaporating water almost instantly. Unlike fabric mats, it prevents mold and mildew, providing a safer, cleaner alternative with excellent traction. It features a stable, textured surface and a non-slip pad, but it must be placed on a flat, solid floor for safety. Cleaning is simple, just rinse or wipe with a damp cloth, and stubborn stains can be gently sanded away using the included sandpaper. Its sleek, minimalist design fits beautifully in any room and works perfectly as a bath mat, dish drying mat, or pet bowl mat. Upgrade your home with this stylish, functional, and low-maintenance stone mat today. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.